Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. In today's vlog, we head up to Rockport, Massachusetts, where we taste some of the local food, walk around town, and meet new friends by the fire. I hope you enjoy it. We're here in Rockport, just on the point here, enjoying an amazing view. What are your views of Rockport so far?
Salty.
It is salty. A lot of art galleries as well. Apparently there's
amazing views.
Amazing views. Yeah.
A lot of rocks.
A lot of rocks. See what you're talking about? But if we look out there, it's the Atlantic Ocean far beyond. Whoa. So we are here, where are we?
Fish shack.
The Fish Shack. And we have ordered some lobsters, which you'll see down here soon. Pretty excited about it. We feel like it's a pretty good purchase, and I'll show you what they look like when we get them. Alright, here we go. We're going to dig in. Fiona's getting dolled up, ready for action. We're walking out. Ooh, there's Maggie. And a directory guide. That was a pretty delicious meal. We're gonna head out and get some guides. We're gonna go back, regroup, see where life takes us there. Stay tuned. Hey babe, what do you think of Rockport so far?
Very cute.
Seems to be an artist haven, which is kind of awesome, and it's got some great views. We're just hanging out at our hotel, enjoying a nice little fire. Yes, it is drizzling a little, but we are hell bent on enjoying the Sunday by this turkey fire. So pretty great. After sitting by the fire for just a few minutes, this group of travelers came over to sit with us. They were also staying at the hotel. We all began to talk about different travel experiences we'd had, some of our favorites and some of our worst. But it was a great conversation.
No.
We had a good day here in Rockport, and I'm just enjoying a tasty cigar by the fire. It was great. Went out to a couple of places, just really explored the small peninsula that Rockport makes of Cape Ann, and really enjoyed our time. Just really embracing these moments and enjoying our time by the fire. On the way home, we decided to make a few stops. The first of which was at Rockport Hotel in Gloucester. From here, you can see a wonderful view of the water and the sailboats drifting by. Wait, so you show